This is my tutorial for a spooky ghost glitter tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler with white spray paint, and I am now applying a thin coat of epoxy to apply my glitter using the epoxy method. You do not have to apply your glitter this way. If you have a different way that you're more comfortable with, please feel free to use it. You also don't have to glitter your tumbler vertically or with this or with this many colors. I apparently like to make things harder on myself. I have also created this tumbler with 3 colors, pink, yellow, and orange, and it was still gorgeous. Let your glitter layer cure, seal it with a clear sealer, then seal with a coat of epoxy, and add some extra glitter while you're at it, okay? Do it. I'll be adding hashtag blessed, which is a purpley, shifty glitter to the purple, blue, and pink side, and a chunky opal custom mix that I have to the orange, yellow, and green side. You do not have to use 2 glitters though, fam. If you only have an opal, that will work just fine. Y'all know I'm extra. Let this layer cure, and then we'll be ready to add our spiderweb foil. I have a ton of foils from Southern Belle Glitter, and I came across this one in my stash and thought it would be perfect for the background of my spooky themed tumbler. These foils are one of her easy release foils, and y'all, it releases so cleanly, even on my slightly bumpy surface from the glitter. You can add another coat of epoxy to your tumbler if you want it to be super, super clean, but I didn't want to add too many coats of epoxy to my tumbler. I try to stick between 4 to 5 coats of resin so my tumbler won't be too bulky. When you're all finished applying your foils, seal your foil with a clear sealer. I like to use Quick Coat from CC DIY, but you don't have to use this particular sealer. Just be sure to seal your tumbler with something. Once my sealer is completely dry, I sealed with resin, and now I'm ready to apply my UV DTF decal. If you have never used UV DTF decals before, what you doing? What are you doing? They are so easy to use, and you can make your tumbler design what in the world? Super easy to make. Peel the UV DTF off the backing, stick it on your tumbler, then remove the clear protective sheet that's on top, and voila! So easy, and the colors are so vibrant. If you are not an epoxy user, you can also use these decals on glass tumblers, no sealing necessary. That also goes with epoxy tumblers. You can absolutely stop right now and not have to worry about sealing the decal, but we extra. And I want to add and I want to add more glitter, so I am now sealing my tumbler, and into my leftover epoxy, I'll be adding more of the opal glitter as well as some silver hollow glitter that I have in my stash. These glitters are custom mixes that I made years ago, but anything you have that's similar will be fine. I let this layer cure, then sealed my tumbler so it was nice and smooth. Then I was ready to decorate the bottom. Please feel free to decorate the bottom however you like. I decided to try to make the rainbow / pastel ombre look that's on the tumbler on the bottom using acrylic paint, but you can also just use glitter or foils, whatever you like, fam, whatever you like. What a simple yet super cute tumbler. I love this size because it can be used as a regular 16-ounce tumbler, or it can be converted into a skinny Can Kewzie. I absolutely love it. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support means the world. Have fun making your spooky ghost tumblers, and I'll see you again next time.